6 months ago, something interesting started happening on YouTube. Small creators, the kind you'd never noticed before, suddenly began appearing on everyone's home feed. If you check your YouTube home feed now, you'll see it too. New small channels are getting thousands of views and quickly getting monetized with just a few videos. Check this out. This channel with just a little over 2,000 subscribers got over 150,000 views on the second video they posted on their channel, or this video which has over 10,000 views from this channel with just 810 subscribers. I can show you countless channels like this. But why is this happening? According to Todd Beaupre, who leads YouTube's growth and discovery team, YouTube is now actively helping new creators get discovered. They have a dedicated team to make this happen. Hear it for yourself.
For new creators or smaller creators, because when you say the algorithm follows the audience, they worry that they don't have an audience yet for the algorithm to follow. So do we do anything for those creators?
Yeah, so we have a team that is specifically focused on this challenge of trying to identify audiences for creators that are just getting started, for videos that we don't have a lot of information about. And so, yeah, with those videos and channels, we do need to try some different approaches. The title, the description. When there are viewers that show up that seems like they might be interested in it, we'll show that video to those viewers and see which of them react. We really want to make sure that there is a path for new creators to get started. It's a metric we track, how many new creators are succeeding on the platform. We're very focused on that. We care a lot about it because we do believe that there's a lot of opportunity there with new creators coming along with new ideas all the time, and we want to help those creators be successful.
So what does this mean for you? If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, especially a faceless one, now is the time to act. Opportunities like this don't come often, and this could be your moment to start creating content, share your passion, and build passive income. To make the most of this, you need a solid strategy. Instead of creating random content, focus on what's working right now. There are 3 faceless video formats that I found to be working right now with the help of AI, which you can take advantage of. 1, journey videos making money with AI. In this format, the content creator takes the audience along as they explore different ways to make money using AI tools. They document the entire process, their successes, challenges, and lessons, giving viewers an authentic look at how they learn and grow. Faceless YouTube channels like 10x Income use this approach to grow to over 300,000 subscribers with 63 videos. Also, Digital Income Project used 401 videos to grow to over 200,000 subscribers. The reason this video format works is because of their authenticity. You're learning in real time and viewers relate to your honesty. By sharing both successes and setbacks, you build trust and inspire others who want to follow a similar path. 2, story videos. In the story video format, the content creator crafts compelling narratives that take viewers on an emotional journey. These videos focus on storytelling, whether it's recounting historical events or illustrating a lesson through a story. The key is to engage viewers by creating a beginning, middle, and end that captivates them. Faceless YouTube channels like Bible in a Nutshell gained over 200,000 views with 136 videos racking in 1.1 million views per month. This format works well because humans are naturally drawn to stories. They create an emotional connection that keeps viewers invested. A good story not only entertains but also inspires or educates, which makes the content memorable. 3, expert-based videos. In this format, the content creator shares their expertise to solve specific problems. The focus is on providing value by teaching viewers how to do something or offering solutions to common challenges. You don't need to be the top expert, just knowledgeable enough to help others. This is exactly what we do on the zinnystudio channel. Recently, I came across this channel, Listen and Speak Academy, which teaches English with the help of AI. They have grown to over 400,000 subscribers with only 94 videos and are a year old, which is incredible. Expert-based videos work well because they solve real problems. Viewers come looking for specific answers, and when the content is clear and helpful, they are more likely to subscribe and trust the creator. They are also the type of content that fall into what we call evergreen videos. This builds a loyal audience and opens up monetization opportunities through courses, consultations, and more. By the way, if you're new here, I am Zinny, and I make videos on how to use AI to create different types of faceless YouTube channels, as well have online businesses to help you generate additional income. If this type of topic interests you, make sure to subscribe to get more videos just like this one. The great thing about these formats, whether you're documenting your journey, telling stories, or sharing your expertise, is that they all offer various ways to monetize your channel, even if you remain faceless. The way creators make money has also evolved. You don't need millions of subscribers to start making a significant income. I have done this myself. My channel was able to pull in 5 figures with not many subscribers or multiple viral videos. To be honest, I am dumbfounded on how much one can really make without even showing your face. The strategy here is not to rely solely on YouTube ads. Successful creators focus on other income streams like 1, digital products, sell templates, ebooks, or online courses based on your expertise. 2, affiliate marketing, promote tools and services that align with your content. 3, sponsorships, partner with brands that resonate with your audience. 4, consulting and coaching, offer personalized help in your area of expertise. The key to monetizing effectively is creating content that genuinely helps people. When you solve real problems, you can offer products and services that take that help even further, making your channel not only impactful but also a sustainable source of income. Here's something I wish someone had told me when I started. Don't overthink it. Don't wait till you can afford that AI tool. Start with a free trial or free alternatives. Don't be scared to use your voice. When I started, I was scared that people wouldn't watch because of my accent. And in addition, I wasn't showing my face, but I pushed through. And look at the zinnystudio today. It has grown beyond anything I could have imagined and made money I didn't think I could make. The truth is, those things we worry about, how we sound and what people will think, don't matter as much as we think. People aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for someone who can genuinely help them, who can make them feel heard and understood. I realized that what really mattered was giving value, being real, and focusing on the person on the other side of the screen who needs what I have to share. If you've been thinking about starting a channel, please don't let fear hold you back. Start this month. Take that first step, make your first video, and share your journey. Don't let another year slip by. If you're ready to grow a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 with the help of AI, subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification. Join me every week on this channel where I will be sharing everything I've learned so far to help you succeed. If even one person starts making money and reaches their dreams because of my help, that would mean the world to me. We're all in this together, and I believe you can do it. Let's make it happen.